Yeah.
Ordered filled, check us out.
You know what time it is.
This is Mighty Soldiers exclusive.
Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it.
How you guys doing? I'm Andy with Mighty Soldiers Trades.
And I'm Sarah.
And today we got 0.59%, 0.59% on the account today.
Yep.
We had 11 winners,
Yep.
0 losses.
Right.
So pretty good day for us.
Mm-hmm.
And if you guys don't already know, we're going to be streaming live over with the Bullish Bears from 8 a.m. to 10 at least every day, maybe even a little more than that.
Right.
So come check that out. And you guys, on their website, they have tons of education. They have basically
Mm-hmm.
everything you could imagine: options, futures, you know, any kind of day trading strategy, technical analysis, candlesticks, and now pennies. So
Right. Pennies. Everybody loves penny stocks.
well, I don't know if everybody loves penny stocks, but I do know that pennies, a lot of people get into trading starting with pennies, and you know, you can really evolve from there. It's a good way to start and learn. It's a good way to learn how evil the market can be too.
Yeah, that's true.
A lot of these pennies will crush you in a heartbeat, and I'm guessing that's why a lot of people just leave trading. They're like, this is horrible, I can't do this.
Yeah.
But honestly, guys, the stocks that people are focusing on when this happens, they're focusing on like something like GNUS, where they're like, oh, this has to go to like 30 or 20 or 50. I don't know what the profit target is in people's heads with these stocks, but for some reason it's like it has to go up here. I keep telling you guys this, I posted that they had an offering. It was the news that came through on Benzinga, and I got people like cussing at me and everything. It's like the only time that I've ever had anybody really disrespect us ever.
Yeah.
And it was just because I posted some bad news on GNUS, and it's like, you know, you believe so much in these stocks, but like seriously, why do you think they're penny stocks to begin with?
Mm-hmm.
If they were really as great as you think they were, they probably wouldn't be a penny stock anymore.
Right.
Like TBLT has had a lot of good earnings, a lot of good news, but TBLT is like 70-something cents. If TBLT was really as great as people think it is, it would be $26 by now.
Yeah.
You know, and maybe one day, like I keep saying, it might upgap, it might go there.
I know, but I mean, just looking at their company, it's kind of like, I can't believe they are a penny stock.
Right, and that's the
weird
mentality for
I know.
penny traders. We all look at this news, this information, and from the outside, not understanding the complete fundamentals and the whole picture, we're like, you know, but this has to be a $50 stock. This has to be a $200 stock. No, it doesn't have to be anything. In fact, it can be trade down to 3 cents, reverse split, trade down to 4 cents, reverse split. You know, like basically just reverse splits and trade down. It's already happened.
Well, yeah,
TBLT has
already
already
did
done that.
It went down, under 20 cents, right? Went pretty down.
Yeah, I mean, what is the worst thing that can happen? You buy this thing at, like, let's say, you know, $5, $1, $3, anywhere in there, whatever, and you put in a huge amount of shares, or you slowly add as it's going down. You're like, I'm averaging because I believe in this company. Next thing you know, it reverse splits and trades down again. And, you know, it's just impossible. Like, at this point, you know, you'd have to have $10,000 a share in TBLT to even get your equivalent to your money back.
Right.
You know, maybe not that. I mean, that might not be, it might be a little bit exaggeration there.
Right, yeah.
But that's penny stocks, though. And, you know, we're just here, we're trading them, we're trading the price and the action that they're giving us, and we're getting out. These stocks every day, I'm up, they see me, I'm down. I'm going to keep saying it, I'll always say it. It's just like the Army says. These are penny stocks, they pop up, they wiggle the worm, you know, you're going to get caught in, if you believe in this thing and you think that it's, oh, I'm grabbing this, it just popped up 150%, so I'm going to grab it up here because it's got to go up at least 1,000 more percent.
Right.
No, it doesn't. Yeah, so ADIL, AYRO, WRTC. Wow, we traded WRTC again, huh?
No, WRTH.
Oh, sorry, WRTH.
Yeah.
That's a different one.
Yeah, different one.
I thought that was the one with the bowler wrap.
Oh, yeah,
that
one. I was pretty interested in that stock. I thought that was pretty cool.
Yeah, plus with everything's going on, you know, a stock like that, you know, we always want to keep in mind, like, what is going on in the world that's affecting this sector or this company.
Right.
You know, that's where the good trade ideas for, like, fundamentals come in. Is like, what is the overall picture? But again, that's not everything, because if we look at all these COVID plays, it's like, oh, so COVID-19, it just, you know, our economy's been hit and everything, so these things have to get us rich.
Yeah, I know. And then there was another stock. I don't remember what it was, but it was the one where it came out with a short report saying that they were basically lying. Do you remember which one that was? See, that stuff can happen too. It's like, okay.
Well, actually, I don't know. That's happened at least 10 times in the last month.
It's a lot. Yeah.
Guys, we traded INPX, SGBX, SOLO. That was the one that got me. That was the one today that I had looked at it on the 15-minute. I knew that it was holding the 20. And what did I do? I bought it above the 20, just a little bit above the 20. It pulled back to the 20. I added to my position because it was holding. And I got out as soon as it popped up. and I got out too early. I didn't trade this very well. If I would have traded it well, I would have waited a little longer, been a little more patient, waited for it to get back to that 20, show that it was going to hold, and then if it pulled below the 20, I would just got out. Very easy.
Yeah.
But this thing on the 15-minute, it held the 20 the whole way. So that's just a clear sign as, well, if it holds this 20 still, that's a really great trade. If it breaks down below the 20, that's a really great stop. So either way, that would have been a good setup. I bought a little too early, being impatient, and it caused me... I didn't get in too heavy in the position because I already started out light to begin with. But, I definitely could have traded that one a little better. So I took a lot less profit than I should have. I probably would have had over 1% of my account today if I would have traded that one particular play a lot better.
Yeah.
But I did not. GNUS, I traded that pretty good.
Yeah, that was nice.
Overextended to the downside. Just got hit, and then it got hit again. And I was like, man, I'm loving it. This is a great deal. Bargain. That's a good play, too, for me, because I know that if it goes down any lower, outside of whatever risk I've, established, then I'm out of here. So, if I'm looking for a 25% profit target, I'm going to cut it at, let's say 5 cents. That's really great.
It was a good trade. I love that GNUS. And basically, their news, they had a conference call today, so it just went down, maybe not knowing what they were going to say, but, yeah.
And that's the risk I had the other day, too, guys. I had, I had lost only $1 for every $5 profit target I had. So, that's pretty good risk to reward. I think if I could maintain that all the time, but probability comes into play here, too.
Yeah.
And I just like to play too much. Definitely do not follow me, guys, in my trades. I play way too much. I can be far more profitable than I am right now if I stop playing. But I like to learn. I'm really curious. Any price action I can find, I want to sniff it out and learn everything I can about it.
Yeah.
And she's like, stop it.
Yeah.
Quit buying this garbage.
Yeah, some of them have really low volume, but then again, I've seen you trade things with low volume and do really good on them, so you never really know.
For me, it's just I gotta feel out what I'm seeing right there at the moment, and you sort of know that a pre-runner, if you grab it and it kicks back against you, you know where it has to sort of hold up. If it doesn't hold up at that support level that you've established or whatever, or it's established, then obviously you just drop it, let it go.
Right.
You don't want to hold this thing down to lower lows and even further.
Right.
But yeah, guys, some pretty great trades today. Like I said, 11 winners, 0 losses. This is the way we trade around here, and we're telling you exactly in the stream what's going on, how we're trading it, how we're looking at it, and not trying to get you guys to be trading engineers and learn every single thing about technicals and everything. Although it's great to learn all this stuff. There's nothing that you shouldn't want to learn in trading. You definitely don't have to be a genius in every single area to do well in this.
Right.
And you also don't have to have $1 million profit target and want Lambos. You could aim at paying for 1 tank of gas.
Yeah,
I was just talking to somebody today, and that's a great goal to start out. To just, can I cover my tank of gas? Can I cover one bill, my T-Mobile bill or my cable bill?
That's a much better way to look at trading than to think, wow, when am I going to be able to buy a Lamborghini?
Right. Yeah. It's like, if I'm looking at when I can buy a Lamborghini, if I'm looking at when I'm going to have such and such millions of dollars, it's like these are unrealistic goals. If I can look at when can I cover my electric bill? When can I cover my water bill? When can I cover maybe a second mortgage? So not on a current house, but on another property, maybe an income property. Just stuff like that. I would much rather focus on getting an extra $2,000 a month that I can put into some sort of income property that I can rent out for $4,000 a month. It's like, wow, that's a no-brainer. Let's make some money.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
And as far as real estate goes, just a side note, 30% profit on any sort of real estate play is pretty good. That's amazing. So if you get, getting a property, we have some properties, and if you flip them, and you get 30% of that. That's pretty dang good.
Yeah.
We've gotten way more than 30% on a lot of them though, so that's, yeah. Anyways, that's a whole other video, maybe a whole other channel.
Yeah, probably.
Anyways, guys, hopefully we didn't talk your ear off, and
check us out.
Yeah.
Ordered filled, check us out.
You know what time it is.
This is Mighty Soldiers exclusive.
Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it.
If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like,
If you with the squad, then you already know what's up. It be going down, but my account is going up. I'm about to make another 100,000 bucks. Rolling up that chain, I'm about to take another puff.
Hold up, I made a killing, now my pockets got swollen. Independent, now I'm taking over. I'm a lot richer, you a lot broker. I'm a pot smoker, stockbroker, blowing up like a supernova. On my mama, I was born a soldier, the best in the game, man. I thought I told you. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like, I am unstoppable, I can do anything I ever wanted to. Never did anything they ever wanted me to. Got on my side and I'm not gonna lose and they're not gonna win. I see them, the haters, it's all cause I'm getting dollars again. Commas on commas on commas, I'm buying the dip. The market is dropping again.
I can see him hating from the sideline. If you see a hater, tell him bye-bye. Watch my money grow, 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 grow. And my wifey like, whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, somebody better stop me cause there ain't no competition and I'm coming for the top position. Obliterating the opposition every time that I jot it in the composition. Everybody wanna stop and listen cause I bring it to you hotter than the oven in your mama kitchen. I'll be getting here like a politician. I'ma get bread when you stack looking taller than Scottie Pippen. Ain't nobody ready for the Armageddon when I pop the clip and I ain't playing. I'm spraying you brain, I'm bringing the pain like Damon Wayne. You disappear like David Blaine. I'm dropping bombs, Saddam Hussein. Stop and aim, pop you lames and pop champagne. I ain't playing so stop the games, you know the name. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, man, I'm out.